Hello everyone, thanks for joining the session. My name is Dilip Kumar Damera. I am working as a regional technical manager in ANSYS India. Today I am going to cover innovations in product development for farming technologies. The key drivers what we have identified for farming equipment R&D. First one is regulations designed to be updated based on the regulatory norms like fuel efficiency and passenger safety. Second point is durability. Durability plays an important role in minimizing the warranty claims. Third point is reducing product development cycle to gain the competitive advantage. Fourth point is on electrification. Electrification is picking up to replace the IC engine to meet the new emission norms. And the fifth point is autonomous vehicle designs increases the passenger safety and avoid the repetition of tasks. The first key driver is regulations. There would be two different aspects in regulations. One is fuel efficiency and noise. Second one is safety. The key challenge is 40% reduction of particulate matter from BS4 to BS5 emission norms. Second one is increased fuel efficiency and reduce noise levels. ANSYS has solutions to increase the fuel efficiency by optimizing the combustion chamber. We also offers wide range of solutions for design of after treatment devices like SCR, DPF to meet the regulation norms. Third important aspect is we also offer many solutions for the acoustic simulations to predict the noise levels in the assemblies as well as in the components like mufflers. Here I am showing the case study of muffler noise study for tractor application developed by the TMTL, and their objective is to trade off between back pressure and transmission loss. We use ANSYS Mechanical to perform acoustic harmonic analysis to simulate and maximize transmission loss. We use computational fluid dynamics solver called Fluent to perform the fluid analysis to predict the back pressure of the muffler. What we have identified here is experimental results obtained in a prototype muffler based on the optimized ANSYS design correlated with experiments. What benefits customer received is it reduced design cycle time from 20 weeks to 8 weeks, as well as it reduced cost of manufacturing by 40%. Another aspect of regulation is physical safety. The main challenge is to meet the regulatory requirements and minimize the destructive testing. To meet these challenges, ANSYS offers rollover protective simulations as well as fallover protective simulations to make the robust and safe design before actual testing. We also provide the high performance computing options to accelerate the virtual testing. It helps decision making by visualizing the outputs like energy, stresses, strains, and deformations to make sure the structure do not intrude driver space. I'm showing the ROPS and FOPS testing on agriculture tractors, which is being done by one of our customer. Their objective is to virtually test the tractor according to the code 4 and code 10 prior to official test approval. What this code says, it specifies there are certain testings which need to be done in sequence to predict the energy absorbed by the any rollover protective structure or pullover protective structure. What sequence they need to follow is first loading sequence is longitudinal loading, second one is rear crushing, third one is side loading, and fourth one is front crushing. After performing all these testings, they could able to plot the energy for each and every loading option, and they compare these energy levels and deformation levels with experiments. What they beautifully found here is the results are quite validated against the experimental results. Second important key driver is product development efficiency improvement. The key challenge is to reduce the product development cycle time, collaboration across multidisciplinary teams, and constraints on the hardware availability. As ANSYS, we provide process automation options through ACT, which is also called as an ANSYS customization toolkit. improved collaboration through our platform solutions like Minerva, and remote hardware access through cloud computing to mitigate these challenges, which in turn helps customers in productivity improvement. Second important aspect is traceability as well as simulation throughout. I am presenting here engineering productivity improvement using ACT developed by one of our customer called Robert Bosch. The key engineering challenge is to improve the ECU structural and thermal reliability. They have performed the customized workflow simulation using our ANSYS ACT and then predict that the pre-processing and post-processing time is reduced by close to the 30%, and they perform the complete automation study using ANSYS Mechanical. And they achieve a significant improvement in productivity by close to 25 to 30%. Next important driver is durability. And the key challenge is to maintain the structural integrity, minimize the vibrations, and reduce the warranty claims throughout the life cycles. ANSYS provides options to perform the stress, vibration, fatigue, and optimization simulations to improve the life of the vehicle components. Here I am presenting the case study on durability analysis of engine, which is developed by one of our customer called AGCO, and their objective is to have the cost-effective and robust agriculture equipment. They use ANSYS Mechanical for performing the nonlinear simulations to predict the stresses in the assembly. What they found here is their results are quite validated against experiments near even the bold locations. And this simulation showed perfect agreement with test results and reduced time and development costs for performing all these simulations. The next important driver is electrification. Many times you might have heard that building an electrical vehicle is not a challenge. However, building an efficient electric vehicle is a challenge in multiple aspects. The key components in electrification are traction motors, battery management systems, and their integration. Power density and efficiency are key parameters of traction motors. At the same time, cloud, reliability, and cost are important and can be differentiators. Torque speed and efficiency map is very critical in design of traction motors. Prediction of electromagnetic losses plays major role in the thermal management of motor. Electromagnetic and thermal analysis using ANSYS helps in optimizing the size, shape, as well as enhancing reliability of various motor components. Next, most important element in electrification is battery. Range, charging, discharging characteristics, life, safety, cost are very critical. Pack and module level thermal management can be validated well using our ANSYS simulation. BMS plays a major role in the performance of the electric vehicle, the thermal cooling, safety, and efficiency. Here I am showing the case study about the battery system optimization, which is performed by the company called Volkswagen. Their objective is to achieve the better thermal performance, least weight, and lowest aerodynamic drag. What they consider here is battery module plus battery management system, which includes power electronics. And they perform complete thermal analysis and predict the battery system was optimized to provide enough cooling for the race duration with the least weight and lowest aerodynamic drag. The last driver is innovations in autonomous vehicle designs. The key engineering challenge in designing the autonomous vehicles are different weather lighting conditions like raining, snowing, night, glaring, etc. Infrastructure challenges like fencing, reflective surfaces, and animals or objects. And third important aspect is drive, find, fix barrier scenario. Many technologies to be included to meet the key engineering challenges. Physical testing for different conditions might not be the feasible approach. Simulation based model or environments can help us to cover all the possible scenarios. To create the different virtual simulation environments, more accurate modeling of sensors and environmental conditions is important. ANSYS has a capability to model the different sensors like thermal cameras, LIDAR, radar, and environmental models like thermal sources, solar glare, rain, and fog conditions. ANSYS can give you the output information like Doppler velocities, camera or sensor information, false negatives, listed objects, and weak detectives. In this picture, we are showing you two different tractors. One is driven by the driver, another one is autonomous vehicle. The moment it sees the objects, it immediately applies the brake based on the camera information. This is the beautiness of the autonomous vehicles. I am summarizing the content. ANSYS can help customers in reducing the product development by 40%. ANSYS process automation capabilities helps customers to improve the productivity by 25 to 30%, reduce product development cost by performing the durability studies. Better thermal performance is achieved for battery thermal studies, which we have seen in the Volkswagen case study. Similarly, customers can have the increased innovation through our solver, which can address the needs of reducing the physical testings for autonomous vehicle designs. Thanks for your attention. With this, I am ending the presentation.